What is up, y'all? Today we are doing a nighttime POV drive in the 98 Civic sedan with the D16, you know. Fully stock, automatic, as you can see, but we will be getting rid of that soon. Just give me a little bit of time. But yeah, we're just going on a cruise tonight. I'm gonna pick up some food, but yeah, stay tuned, like and subscribe, and let's go. This is my 1998 Honda Civic sedan. I don't know if y'all can hear me. I'm gonna try to talk a little loud, but I got it about a month and a half, 2 months ago, and pretty sure whoever had it they had it garage kept, and with it only had, when I bought it, it only had 94,000 miles. It now has 95,000 or 96,000. Yeah, 96,000 miles. Buying a used car, especially an old one like this, you gotta fix something. So I had to fix valve cover, gasket. I wanted to get it fixed right away. Yeah, so I got that done, bro. That thing was a hassle. I broke one of the bolts to put the valve cover back on. It was literally the last bolt, and that thing snapped in half, bro. So it prolonged the what is that called? It prolonged the repair. It took longer than it should have, but I'm glad I got that done. Thing is driving perfect. I do still need to do some things, as this is a car older than me. But yeah, if you're new here, subscribe, like, comment, let me know some things I should do with my Civic, and show me your builds. Follow me on Instagram, _made. Yeah, if you've been subscribed to this channel, you know that I used to post gaming content such as 2K and, you know, any other game I could post at the time, but mainly 2K. If you know, you know. I was one of them ones.
Just saw the mama on the phone. She steady keep calling me, still on that same shit. We a savior, we be raising. Our memories is what I'm erasing. I keep behind you, my heart get the racing. This shit is a marathon, you be racing. She brother for me, it didn't change it.
But yeah, I gave that up. Sold my Xbox, haven't looked back ever since. I've been doing fashion content on TikTok, and now I'm trying to get into the car stuff. I got a little following. I'm just trying to build this channel up, see where we can go. I'm trying to build this Civic. So right now I have nothing done to the car except for this little Apple CarPlay screen. Besides that, I just been doing not car content.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
I just been doing fashion content. Follow me on Instagram. I post fit pics, and I might make a car Instagram. I do have a car TikTok. It is in my bio. I can't think of the name right now. It is in my TikTok bio. Just follow me on all that stuff. Let's talk about plans for the Civic. So the first big thing I want to do is get rid of this automatic transmission. I'm going to do a manual swap. That should give me, a little more oomph in the engine. I'm going to do that, ride on it for a little while, pause, no diddy. But I'm going to drive it like that for a little while. The next things, wheels, tires, suspension, all that good stuff. I'm gonna also try to find some SI seats if they're somewhere at the junkyard, pick and pull or something. I'm gonna try to score on those. But new exhaust system. This engine is already like it's already good. Like, it's perfect right now. So I don't need to do an engine swap yet or anything like that. I want to do it because my crazy plans are all-wheel drive swapping it and either K series or B series. But right now we just gonna, phone died earlier when I was talking, but yeah, so the plans are, well, the big plans are B swap or K series, all-wheel drive swap, and turbo. Well, right now I want to turbo the D series, but I gotta change some internal stuff. Or, as you guys can see, I keep getting interrupted, but it's fine. As I was saying though, we are gonna be manual swapping my Civic to get some more power. Not more power, but you know, to get some more out of it and make it more fun. Cause just driving this automatic is just like, I mean, it's cool. Like, I love the car and all, but I want it to be manual, so I'm gonna do that. Next plans after that: wheels, tires, suspension, all that good stuff. All right, and then we're gonna look into boosting my D series. Let me know down below if you got a D series that's boosted. Let me know what you did to keep the engine good. Like, I don't want it to like blow up on me or anything. Yeah, let me know what you guys did internally or externally. Let me know any exhaust suggestions. I don't want to sound like a can of bees. I kind of know what exhaust system I want, but just give me some suggestions. I'm like, you know, you need options in your life. You feel me?
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
But also let me know what PSI y'all are running. If you see this video, I'm trying to boost my D series. I don't want to go crazy. I don't want to go for no crazy horsepower numbers. I just want to get at least the high 200s or low 300s. As you can see, I was having some technical difficulties. My phone kept dying and people were calling me, so I'm just doing a voiceover. But as I was saying, I'm going to shoot for the low 300 or high 200 for my horsepower range. I don't want to go too crazy, but just something that can keep me, like, you know, happy for a little bit. Y'all let me know what I should do first. A manual swap, and then you know, boost it and do it like that, or just go K swap or B swap right away and do the manual swap. I know it sounds like a lot and confusing, but just bear with me. Give me about a year and this car will be finished. Like, my whole build, my whole goals, everything will be finished. Cause I already know what I want to do, and I know like what I'm going for as far as like power and, you know, all that type of stuff. And I'm gonna be doing that all-wheel drive swap, but just give me some time on that, cause you know that's a little bit of work. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I will be posting as much as I can on here. I post on TikTok, but I'm gonna try to post more on YouTube. I'm gonna be as consistent as I can with the POV videos and, you know, any other type of videos y'all want me to post. Comment video ideas. I will be posting fashion content on here too, but the main videos I'm gonna be posting is like POV stuff and build videos. I can also post like basketball stuff if y'all want to see that, cause I do be hooping. But if y'all don't want to see that, let me know.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
But yeah, like I said, like and subscribe. Next video should be coming out pretty soon. I got some ideas, and yeah, also got something in the works I can't talk about yet, but just know it's gonna be something crazy. But I love y'all, and I will see y'all later.